Hey guys, we're back. We're gonna pick a Brinks medium security lock, I guess. Pretty sure it's called high security, but it's got, I believe, 4 spool pins in it, or at least a couple of spool pins in it. I just want to quickly talk about 2 things. One, my camera stand, guys. There'll be no more of this going on in my videos. I have fixed my camera stand a little bit so it's a lot sturdier. So now if I bump the camera, it'll wiggle for a second, but it'll stop. It's not going to sit there and bounce for 10 years after I bump it. Second, guys, never pick a lock that's in use. I hear it all the time, but I'm actually understanding why. I pick this a lot, trying to get it. It's the only lock I had that had spools before, and I ended up wearing the bottom rim down. As you can see there, I wore it down so bad, guys, that the key barely works now, and I had to buy a new lock to replace this. You can see that you really have to crank this thing or it's totally locked up. So, oh, sorry. Get it all the way in there. And it locks up. You give it a wiggle and it opens. But it's just not worth it, guys. This is for me, this is a pretty expensive lock. And to just have broken it for the purpose of picking is not worth it. Anyways, now we're going to go ahead and pick it because I've got a new one. So, just going to rake it, try and get my fault set, and then we're going to go ahead and pick the rest, hopefully. Right, guys? Got our big fault set. No, okay, I lost it. Seems like anytime I lose my fault set, guys, I can try and I never give it back. So I just restart. Try and give it a couple zips until I get that nice deep fault set again. No, I lost it again, didn't I? Yep, okay. Let's try again here, guys. It's going to go in upside down. Okay. Yeah, I got it back. God damn, man. I don't know why it keeps happening to me in this thing. Yeah, I got it back once again. And I lost it once again. Okay. Come on, baby. Got it back again. And lost it again. Come on, baby. Nope. Totally lost it. Try and rock it into that fault set again. Okay. We got it again. Okay, I got that pin correctly that time. Still got my fault set. Okay. That was pin 5 that we had. Arrgh. Oh, we've got it. Wow, that's tight. Okay. This is the other thing that's weird about this lock, guys. You see how hard that was to turn? And that is because of this. I've tried picking this so many times and figuring out why it does this. Try and angle the camera in here perfectly so you guys can see this. It's hard to get the light and everything in there at the same time, but as you can see, come on, the top pin, there we go, the key pin and the driver pin are both still in the plug. They're both still in there, and yeah, I don't know why it picks like that. I've tried a bunch of times to get him up there and it just never ever wants to set. Anyways, guys, that's my Brinks. Bunch of spools, couple spools, few spools, not sure how many. I really wish I could open these up to check. That's it all. Yeah, and see, yeah, this thing is so messed up, guys. Never, ever pick a lock that you don't need, or that you do need, or that is in use. It's not worth it. Anyways, guys, Brinks, SPP'd. Always keep it legal, and have fun, guys. I'll see you next time.